Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Content Library for grade 9. Today we are going to revise the chapter quadrilaterals through its mind map. We know that quadrilateral is a closed geometrical figure with four sides. As you can see in the picture, ABCD is a quadrilateral because it is a closed figure with the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. The angle sum property of quadrilateral states that sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. This is because the quadrilateral ABCD has the diagonals AC and BD. When we take any one diagonal as AC, then the diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two triangles ABC and ADC. And we know that sum of angles of a triangle is 180. So two triangles make the total sum of all the angles of quadrilateral as 360 degree. Now we will see the different types of quadrilaterals. The first one, rectangle. It has four right angles. The opposite sides are equal. The diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Next, square. It has four right angles. All the sides are equal. The diagonals are equal and bisect perpendicularly. Parallelogram. Opposite sides and angles are equal. The diagonals bisect each other. Rhombus. All the sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. The diagonals are not equal but bisect each other perpendicularly. Trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel and the diagonals are not equal. Trapezoid. A trapezium with equal non-parallel sides. The diagonals are equal in the trapezoid. And the last, a kite. Adjacent sides are equal. Diagonals intersect perpendicularly. They are not equal. So these are the different types of quadrilaterals. Now we will discuss the theorems on quadrilaterals. Theorem 1. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. That is, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. As you can see, ABCD is a parallelogram and BD is a diagonal. And this diagonal divides the parallelogram into two parts, ABD and CDB. Since AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC and BD is common, by SSS congruency theorem, we can prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. Theorem 2. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. That is, AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. To prove this, we have joined the diagonal BD. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, BD becomes a transverse line for the parallel lines AB and DC. So, ABD angle is equal to BDC angle. ADB angle is equal to DBC angle and DB is the common side. Therefore, by ASA congruency rule, we can prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BDC. And then by the CPCT, we can write that AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Theorem 3. If each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. It is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. To prove that it is a parallelogram, given that AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC, we have taken the S and S criteria. By SSS congruency criteria, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. Now, we proved that the angle ABD is equal to angle BDC, but these two are alternate interior angles. Therefore, AB is parallel to DC. That's why ABCD is a parallelogram. Theorem 4. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. To prove this theorem, we join the diagonal BD, we get the two triangles ABD and CDB. By using SSS congruency criteria, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle C by CPCT. In the same way, by joining the diagonal AC, we can prove that angle B is equal to angle D. Theorem 5. If in a quadrilateral, each pair of opposite angles are equal, then it is a parallelogram. That is, if angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D, then ABCD is a parallelogram. Theorem 6. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That is, AO is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. To prove this, we consider the triangles AOB and DOC. In this, AB is equal to DC, ABO is equal to ODC because these two are alternate interior angles. In the same way, BAO is equal to OCD. These are also alternate interior angles. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle OCD. So, we write the corresponding sides as AO is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Theorem 7. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. That is, AC and BD, these are the two diagonals and they are bisecting each other. That is, AO is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD. Then we take the two triangles AOD and BOC. AO is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD and AOD is equal to BOC because these two are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB. So, AD is equal to BC and since angle A is equal to angle C here, these two are alternate interior angles. So, AD is parallel to BC. Therefore, ABCD becomes a parallelogram. Theorem 8. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. So, ABCD is a quadrilateral and it is given that AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. And to prove this, we have joined the diagonal BD, and we can prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB by yes congruency rule. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle D, but these two are alternate interior angles. Therefore, AB is parallel to DC, and thus ABCD is a parallelogram. Theorem 9. A line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. That is, DE is parallel to BC and DE is half of BC. This is also called as midpoint theorem. Theorem 10. A line drawn through midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the another side bisects the third side. That is, in the triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB, that is AD is equal to DB, and DE is the line that is parallel to BC. Then this line DE bisects the AC. That means E is the midpoint of AC. These are the 10 theorems that are in the chapter quadrilaterals. I hope the revision through this mind map helped you to revise and recall the quadrilaterals, the types of quadrilaterals, and the theorems on the quadrilaterals. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.